Speaking on the names of the three CSK players in their alleged link with an industrialist, BCCI Secretary Anurag Thakur has said that the ICC has not responded to the involvement of the alleged players. Listen into what Anurag Thakur had to say.
आईसीसी से पल्ला नहीं झाड़ा है। जब कोई अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर क्रिकेट खेलता है तो उसकी जिम्मेदारी आईसीसी के एंटी करप्शन यूनिट की है, उसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने की। आईसीसी ने उस पर इन्वेस्टिगेट किया है, उसकी रिपोर्ट की आउटकम क्या है, आईसीसी उस पर बेहतर उत्तर कर सकती है। बीसीसीआई को उन्होंने लिखित रूप में कुछ उस पर जानकारी नहीं दी। इस पर मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा, इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट काउंसिल ने जब उनको एक ईमेल मिली, उन्होंने उसके बाद बीसीसीआई को इससे अवगत करवाया और इस पर इंक्वायरी आईसीसी को कंडक्ट करनी, क्योंकि उनका एंटी करप्शन यूनिट इस पर काम करता है। तीनों खिलाड़ी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, आईसीसी के नियम के अनुसार उनको इसके ऊपर इंक्वायरी करनी है और उन्होंने इंक्वायरी डेफिनेटली की हो। इफ देयर कुड हैव बीन एनीथिंग दे कुड हैव रिपोर्टेड बैक टू अस। प्रोटोकॉल इज ऑफ कोर्स हियर। The follow-up is, there is nothing in that. If there could have been something, they could have reported back to us. If there is nothing from the ICC, of course, yes, it's a clean sheet only. See, if ICC has not reported anything on that, that means it's a clean sheet.
Radhika Tungar is now joining us with more details on that story. Radhika, does it effectively mean that the BCCI is giving these players a clean chit?
Absolutely. Anurag Thakur, the secretary of the board, made it very clear that the ICC was aware about the situation and they did not report it to the BCCI. And since they did not report it to the BCCI did not have to go ahead and investigate the matter. And that is what he has said very clearly, that the ICC seems to have rubbed away the matter because they did not find anything valid in it. And since the ICC did not report it, they gave them the clean sheet. The BCCI is not going to investigate the matter further. It is an old matter, and he said it very clearly that the BCCI was not going to look into it.
All right, Atit is also joining us with more details. Atit, when Anurag Thakur was constantly questioned over that issue, it appeared that the BCCI wants to keep an arm's length. Is it so?
Exactly, Maha. In fact, there are two different things going on right now. ICC said that the ball is in the BCCI's court, and BCCI is now throwing the ball back in the ICC's court and saying that ICC did not report anything. They just sent an email and they did not conduct any inquiry, and whatever, if any inquiry was conducted, then they have not accused anyone of wrongdoing. So these are completely two different things. They've pushed the matter under the mat, and the things are the same. They have not changed. So obviously the BCCI is not willing to take up the matter, and what needs to be understood here is that ICC is, the chairman is still Mr. Srinivasan. ICC's chairman is Mr. Srinivasan, and CSK, those couple of players who were named were playing for that franchisee, and those players' names were repeatedly brought up during this press conference, but Anurag preferred not to take up the matter further and kept on saying that ICC did not inform BCCI about anything as such, that they did send an email, but no inquiry was conducted, and if an inquiry was conducted, nothing unusual was reported.
Atit, does this effectively mean that the BCCI will not, or is rather not willing to look at this matter independently from the ICC?
See, Maha, the thing is that what Anurag is saying is that because these are international players, there is one foreign player in those three players who have been named, that these are international players, and since they are international players, the matter has to be investigated by the ICC, and we cannot do anything. That is that is the stand that the BCCI is taking right now.